licking my drip, licking my wrist. AP got me sick. You could go blind, stop staring at it. I'm killing these beats, someone get a med kit. I'm with two baddies, they lit just like Megan. That mean
Yo, what is it giving? What is it giving? What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob? He said, I done had like 5 hairstyles since then. New topic. New topic.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. So go now.
Okay, y'all, I can know y'all see my cap holding on for dear life, but don't judge me. I just had to do like hella wigs back to back, so I was like, why change it? I don't know why my face was like that either. But hey y'all, it's Yana Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. And it's another wig install for y'all today. So now I'm just starting off by like putting a wig on my head. I had already cut the lace and tinted it with the lace tint, the even lace tint. So I'm just mapping it out right now and then combing the baby hairs back so I can lay the lace down. Okay, now I'm just spraying the Got To Be on the perimeter of my hair, and then I'm just wiping like the parts that are dripping past where I want the lace to lay with a cotton ball with alcohol on it. So, why I say alcohol like that? I don't know why I said it so harshly, y'all. But now I'm just blow drying it until it's like kind of tacky and not just like liquidy. And then I'm just gonna press the lace into it with the end of my comb as y'all see me doing. And then you want to pull the lace.
Everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. You can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. You goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Now I'm just hot combing the top to like make it flatter, I guess. It was still a little bulky, but once I put my scarf on, it laid down more. But y'all see that. Y'all see that in the end.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Okay, y'all, so I couldn't find my wax stick, so I just took the beeswax and I melted it. And I'm gonna use that in replacement of it. I know that's kind of ghetto, but oh well, it worked.
time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Now I'm doing my favorite part, which is the baby hair, because it just makes everything come together and it's pretty redundant. But I'm using this mousse, and you want to hold the part that's already laid how you want and then like swoop the ends, because if you don't hold it while you try to like do the little swoop at the end, it's gonna move, it's gonna mess the whole edge up. So basically just keep on doing that around your head. I had already cut the baby hair, so all I have to do is lay it.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away.
Wearing it straight was cute, but I was like, how about I crimp it? And I think that was like a great decision because if you see how I looked in the end, it was just really giving some that I like, some that I love actually. But I don't have nothing else to say. After this video, if y'all are interested in this hair or any other hair from Unice, it's a 30-day no reason free return only for my subscribers in place, and you can also use my code MyUnice for 10% off any payment, any purchase. I don't know why I said payment, like purchase, payment. Yeah, same thing, purchase, just like ring better. But y'all, it's all in the description below, so check it out.
Yeah.
That's what I'm about to, and after that, I guess I was like, fuck you.
Yeah.
Oh, my hair is cute now. Okay, so you don't want me to come over, and you want to come over, but you don't know if you're going to come over, but you miss me. Okay. Yo, what is it giving? What is it giving? What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you boy? Okay, y'all, this is the end of my tutorial. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I got like 2 more wig videos, and I'm gonna start doing other stuff. So stay tuned. Bye. Love y'all.